Yay!
Shall we see?
Have you got a surprise today, Amani?
Yeah.
Would you like to see what your surprise is?
Yeah.
Close your eyes, Amani. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! That's your surprise. What is it?
Spiderman.
Is it a Spiderman car?
Yeah.
Whoa! Check it out. You like Spiderman?
Yeah.
Wow! Is it a Spiderman supercar remote controller?
Yeah, with the charger one.
Vroom vroom.
So I open it now.
Would you like to open and have a play?
Okay then.
Okay, Amani, let's have a look. So there's Spidey in his supercar. Wow, it looks like a Ferrari, like a red Ferrari. There's a charger. I think so. Batteries inside.
And remote control.
And the remote control. Yay! Do you think it's fast?
Yeah. Shall we see
Shall we
it?
see what's on the back?
Okay.
Okay. Wow! Look at that, Amani.
So we open it.
Look at that. Look at that Spider-Man. The Amazing Spiderman 2.
Toy.
Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and open it.
Okay, come on then.
It's quite a big car, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh? It doesn't look like Play-Doh.
It does.
Wow. Check it out, Amani. Let's have a look. What's inside? Pull it, pull it.
Check it out.
You need some help.
Yeah.
What color is it? Is it red?
Yeah.
A red Spider-Man car. Vroom vroom. Is that the remote controller?
Yeah. So we open it.
And it's got an antenna there as well and a tube. Look, there's a tube there as well
What's you?
for the antenna.
It's a blue
It's got some nice wheels.
Nice
Ooh, look at
wheel.
that. Let's take it out of the box. Are you trying to get in the Spider-Man car box?
Yeah.
Silly, you're not gonna fit in that. You're too big. Hey, come out of there. Crawl out, come on. Cheeky. Okay, so the car, we need to put some batteries inside. Now that we've unboxed it, let's have a look what battery it takes. I think it's 5 AA's in the main car.
Double A's.
And in the controller, it's 1 times 9 volt.
No.
That's what it says over here in the instruction
Okay.
manual. Is that the instruction manual?
Yeah.
Yay! So there we are. Putting 5 batteries in there. Is it a big car, Amani?
Yeah.
Is it a vroom vroom?
Yeah.
Is it going to go very fast?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look.
What's your Spidey saying? Hey, Spidey. What are you up to today? Did you go to school today? Yay.
Spider-Man.
Excellent. Check that out, guys. Okay, oh yeah, Amani, put the antenna on, please.
Antenna one.
Yeah. Okay. And now, so the antenna's on, guys. Check it out. It's not a bad looking car. Looks like a Porsche, actually. Is it a Porsche or a Ferrari? And in the controller, we need to put the 9 volt battery. Check it out, guys. The Amazing Spider-Man 2 red and blue car. And this is the underside of the car. Looks fairly nice and simple. Yep, when you turn this on, so there's a switch on off button.
Now let's see if it works.
Okay, let's test it out, guys. Oh, is there an on off button?
It's on.
Can you show that again? Yeah. So it lights up when it's on. Yeah.
Yep.
Whoa, check it out, guys. It's got some power, this Spider-Man supercar. Brum brum. Oh, be careful, it's gonna hurt your fingers. Has it got rubber in it as well? I think it's got a bit of rubber as well on the wheels. Not bad at all. Okay, Amani, do you want to take it for a test drive? Whoa! Reverse, reverse.
The
Hey!
remote, Amani?
It's got got stuck under the sofa. Silly. Reverse it. Amani, press reverse. Spider-Man car up to. Vroom vroom. It's trying to do a wheel spin. Hey, have you found a Minnie Mouse? Check it out. Vroom vroom.
I'm okay. Don't worry about me.
Are you okay, Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
Ah! Don't run yourself over, Amani. Reverse. Press the reverse button. Spidey supercar. Ah! Okay, let's take it outside, yeah? Shall we go outside, Amani? Come on. Let's take the Spidey car. Wow, check it out. Oh no! It looks so cool. Reverse, Amani. Ah! Vroom vroom.
Oh, look, there's a big box. A big box.
Amani,
A bigger box.
take, do a turn. Put it in a circle mode. Ah, don't crash into the wall. Ah.
Hey, where's my Minnie Mouse?
You want your Minnie Mouse?
Yeah, to sit.
Okay, go get your Minnie Mouse. Ah, chase me, Amani. Oh no. Oh no, your Spider-Man car's crashed. Ah! Let's put her on there. I think she wants to go for a cruise. Now, take him for a cruise.
Oh no.
Yes! Forward, forward. Yay! Oh no, your Minnie Mouse is falling, Amani. Are you doing a circle? Ah!
Look, can you get her?
Reverse. Woo! Oh no, it's crashed into the head. Oops, sorry. Oh no. Wow, look at that plane, guys.
Shall we go on there?
It looks so cool.
I can't see it.
Can you zoom in?
It's right in the clouds. There we are,
See it,
there
keep
we are.
zooming in.
Now we are. Now I can see it.
Wow, look at that, guys. Brum brum. Wheel spin. Where's Amani gone, guys? Let's look for her. Come on, Spidey. Let's see where Amani's hiding. Is she over here? No. There she is. Catch her, catch her, catch her. Ah. Ah. Stay. Yay! Oh, Minnie Mouse is falling! Amani, I'm sorry for crashing into your Minnie Mouse. Is she okay? Let's have a look. Ah, Minnie Mouse is okay. Rum rum. Whoa! Check it out. Woo!
Look, they're going that way.
He's going in a big circle, Spidey. Oh no, the Spidey car stuck. Shall I help you? There we are. Whoa! He's doing a skid.
Don't be slow.
Quite fast, this Spidey car. What have you got with you now? Is it Angry Birds and Minnie? Okay, does the Angry Bird want to go for a drive? Put her on there. Ooh. Hello, Angry Bird.
If he falls over, he's definitely going to be angry.
Amani, does the Angry Bird fit on the car as well?
Yes, he does.
With Minnie Mouse? You want the card off? Okay, hold on.
Yeah, my card is real.
Hey, Spidey. It's Angry Bird and Minnie Mouse over here. There we are.
You think
Right, that's quite cool actually. Reverse, reverse.
Oh, he's having an accident.
Yay! Angry Bird going for a cruise. Oh! Oh no! Angry Bird's fallen over. Amani. Bring the Spidey car back. You got your big Spider-Man toy out.
Yeah,
Does he want to go for a cruise?
yeah.
I'm not sure if he's going to fit on that car. I think they're too big for your Spidey car. You want to have a try? Hey, Spidey! Oh, is Spidey carrying Angry Bird? He's carrying Angry Bird. Woo! Don't press it! Press forward, press forward.